So my name is Tim from Meurs. I'm working at Tilburg University, and together with EuroGeo and the other partners of Infra for NextGen, we're working on the E-NextGen tool. This is partially a mapping tool where you can map data from the European Value Study, European Social Survey, and other social surveys in the project to see the aggregated data, see the values of the various survey items plotted over the map of Europe. You can also use it to compare different maps with each other. So for example, compare different countries with each other, compare men and women, younger people, older people, or see trends over time and compare different waves of the social surveys with each other. That is what the mapping tool can do.